Hello all, welcome to netstrikers.com. My name is Aditya and welcome to tutorial number 5 of Java programming. In this tutorial, we will be using the variables in our program. So let's start. So I have created a class called using variables. As you can see, using U is capital, variable V is capital. According to the Java convention, as I told you earlier, that class name should always start with a capital letter. Followed by the main method, let's create a variable. Suppose I want to store my age into one variable and then later use that variable to print some value. So for example, my age is 21 and as I told you in my previous tutorial, it's always better to utilize only those variable data type which can hold any specific value which is needed. So for example, age lies between, so obviously none of the people can have the age or in minus, so maximum age could be 127 itself. So I could write as byte, which is the first primitive data type, and let's create the variable name as age and equal to 21, since my age is 21, and this is the name of the variable. This is the assignment operator which is used to assign the value of 21 in it. So if I want to print my age here, I can simply write my age is, and then I need to write plus here followed by the variable which is age. Now you might be thinking that, hey Aditya, what is plus over here? So this is called as the concatenation. Concatenation is the process of combining two strings together in order to form a single result. So whenever I compile the output and will print run the output, I will get as an answer as my age is 21. If you don't believe me, let's compile. Let's open the terminal cmd, type java c followed by using variables dot java, and now run our program using variables. As you can see, my age is 21 get printed here. As simple as that. Similarly, you can store your first letter of your word, which is my name is Aditya, so first letter would be char first equals to a. Let's create another line. Name starts with as simple as that. So now let me recompile our code to java c using variables dot java, and now run the code, which is java space using variables. As you can see, my age is 21, my name start with a. Similarly, you can hold the different kind of value in different kind of data type, and that's it for now. In our next tutorial, we will looking forward to the conditional statement in Java programming, which is very useful. So don't miss that. Until then, enjoy your life. Thanks for